Attention to all SOLIDWORKS PDM administrators. This is an awesome product that lets you remind your users to check their files back into the vault. It's called PDMReminder, and it's very simple to use. I'm going to go here to my task list and create a new task, and I'm going to choose PDMReminder. Now, there's only one setting in this task that we need to configure. If I go to settings, which is the only custom tab, you can specify the date that you'd like this task to check for any files that's currently checked out for all of your users. So I want to check for files that are left checked out on my entire vault as far as back as February 2023. Click OK. That's all I need to do. All right, I can just go to my task list, click on Add Task, and then it completed the execution. I'll just go to my inbox here, and I'll see that I got a new email. If I click on it, telling me, hey, Mr. Admin, you got a bunch of files that you've left checked out since these dates. And also creates this nice attachment that contains an Excel spreadsheet of the files that are checked out.